Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Cassie and Family. Today we are going to Sam's Club to do a quick weekly grocery. Let's get into the video. Someone's trying to get flowers. Also get a
Mommy, can we have kiwis?
got dragon fruit here.
Same stuff. They just everything they put on the back that's it. They don't put like
Oranges.
Get. Go.
Thinking about getting this.
how much for what
A little different, I think. A little.
It's that cold.
These are not about $6. Opted for the green.
Can I
Bell
help you
pepper.
take them out?
Yeah, of course. The green bell pepper, $5.
Okay.
We got these.
It's strawberry and blueberry.
Got yogurt. We got a big bag of oranges because we eat oranges. All more oranges. Cuties. Clementines.
So of course, it's so yummy, and you can make them with
Snicker bites. We have that on the channel.
yeah.
Beef. We have a pack of chicken. Mrs. Dash.
We have
This
salt.
was recommended, and I heard it's really good because I have to with some sea salt, and that's it.
That's
And I am gonna show you guys how much we paid just for this stuff. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you a quick meal prep. When I buy large packs of chicken like this, I like to meal prep them and put them separately in a Ziploc bag and freeze them so that I can have them throughout the week and have them for my healthy eating meals. Lately, I have been eating mostly chicken breasts and fish, so this is pretty much going to last me 2 weeks at least. Then my girls and I came out to the garden to get some fresh air.
rocks there.
I like to use this. This is are you okay?
Yeah.
Lemongrass.
For
No, we use this for tea. When I'm in the garden, I like to use this time for grounding. So let me know if you guys like grounding. Leave me a comment and let me know if you guys do this. Okay. I came back here to check on the hibiscus flower. For those of you who don't know, hibiscus only lasts a night. They don't last. So they always end up falling on the ground. And what I like to do is I like to get the ones from the night before. There's some back there too, but I'm not gonna grab them. I like to get the ones from the night before, dehydrate them, and make hibiscus flower, like hibiscus flower tea. I can show you what they look like later on. Is it a sandcastle or a cake?
That looks like a cake, but it's a sandcastle cake.
It looks like a chocolate cake with sprinkles.
Yeah, with white sprinkles.
With white sprinkles. And that's it for the vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy recipes and family vlogs. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.